How to clear iCloud storage on iPhone. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, head over to your Apple account at the very top of the screen. All you gotta do is click on it. Once you're in this page, move into iCloud. You will be able to see the storage of your iCloud. Head over to See All. These are all of the application which is consuming your iCloud storage. All you gotta do is move into any of the application that you want to clear out the storage. Simply on Manage Storage. In this page, you should see the option of Delete from iCloud. Click on it. And then once again, click on Delete from iCloud. All the storage consumed by Notes app will be deleted. Likewise, you need to go back and head over to other applications as well and then do the same process. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.